Isang mabilis na intro lang. Marami sa inyo ang nagtatanong tungkol sa top surgery. At isa na rin ako doon. Meron tayong special guest dito sa channel natin, si Kuya Fernandez.
Hi guys.
Hindi ko alam kung kilala niyo siya, pero comment below kung kilala niyo siya. Yun, isi-share niya sa atin yung mga mahalaga at kailangan na impormasyon natin para sa top surgery. Sa video na to, babahagi niya kung magkano, paano niya pinaghandaan, physically, financially, saan siya nagpa-opera, challenges na napagdaanan niya, tapos meron pang bonus tip sa dulo, so make sure hanggang dulo panoorin mo. Simulan na natin itong vlog na to.
Hi. Ako si Fernandez. Isang transgender guy. I've been on testosterone since 2011. So this year, 9 years na ako on testosterone. And with this video is about top surgery. I had my top surgery in 2014 in the Philippines. What procedure? The procedure for top surgery, there are many different kinds, especially now na medyo nag-explore na yung mga surgeons. But during my time, there were only two options. One is double mastectomy and periareolar. Periareolar was a procedure done for me. So normally for those with bigger chests, double mastectomy ginagawa. Why that procedure? Maliit kasi yung chest ko to begin with. Originally na gusto ko is yung double para matira lahat, so to speak. Pero nirecommend ng surgeon ko was the periareolar kasi syempre less scarring and faster recovery since medyo limited yung time ko to be on leave. So when? In 2014, like January, nag-start na ako mag-research ng mga surgeons who actually offered top surgery sa Pilipinas. Unfortunately, nung time na yun, hindi pa siya masyadong common. So I had to speak to, I think, six surgeons. Two of them got back to me and said they're not willing to do the procedure kasi it's against their religious beliefs. And then the rest, the other four, they replied back to me. Pero isa lang talaga yung pinuntahan kong consultation, which is si Dr. Enrico Valera from St. Luke's, QC. Actually, I had my consultation with him sometime in June or July. I only had one consultation, which is the first one, for me to know how much it would be. And then I had a second consultation to finalize the date. And then I had a third one. This is the pre-op consultation where binigay ni doc yung required na lab tests. Stuff that I had to get done. I think this was done a month before the actual date. Kasi I had to prepare my body physically. Like I had to stop smoking. I had to take vitamins. I had to make sure that I was in perfect health. And one thing that I forgot to mention is I prepared for top surgery like I think 2 years prior, so 2012. Pero mostly that's gym stuff, like working out, fitness, to make sure that I was able to muscle there, parang as a base. May mga humad lang. Actually, wala. Only my girlfriend during that time kasi she was scared. But my parents didn't know about it. I wasn't living with them at that time. So it was like just purely me. So walang humad lang. My only limitations really was yung budget and the time kung kailan ko siya ipapagawa. How much? For costing, medyo magkaiba na yung price kasi before and as compared to now. In general, the pricing increases every year. So from 2014 to 2020, so that's 6 years. So expect na at least by at least 40 or 50,000 more na siya. When I had mine, it cost me 110,000 pesos. That includes everything. Yung gamot, yung transport, yung aftercare, everything. That's 110,000. The procedure was originally priced at 90,000, and then the extra 20 were for the miscellaneous stuff like recovery and yun nga, yung mga transport ganyan, because I had to commute. I don't have a car, so I had to travel back and forth to the hospital. Okay, how did I prepare for surgery? Again, like I started preparing physically. I started preparing for it 2 years prior. So 2012, I signed up for the gym. Ayoko naman na, alam mo yun, sobrang payat ng itsura pagka after ng surgery. And then mentally, I didn't prepare for it. Like, I knew I was gonna be happy after. Like, I wanted to do it. It was the only thing in my mind. And that's the only thing that would, actually complete my journey. But what I didn't know was after, there's, yung post-op depression. Kasi, see, I was working out for 2 years. I was very active during those times. And then after surgery, I can't do anything yet. Kasi the downtime is at least 12 weeks before you can go back to the gym. So, not being able to do anything really took a hit on me. Kasi hindi ako sanay na walang ginagawa. And it's a battle between, prioritizing the results or the end results, like the healed results, over your physique goals. I mean, at least for me. Kasi medyo concerned talaga ako sa itsura ng katawan. Dahil sobrang haba nung downtime, parang nag-change na yung mindset ko na I became really lazy. This was the point where I gained weight and I looked really unfit. See, the thing is with the type of surgery that I got, whenever I gain weight, parang it comes back. not like before, but nagkakaroon ka ng extra mass dito and halata na tumaba ka. So, yun. That's another problem that I had to face. And also, the final results wouldn't be visible until after a few months, like give it at least a year. And kumbaga hindi siya hulmado eh. Like after surgery, it's not gonna look perfect. Like you have to work for it. Honestly, I was only able to appreciate the shape of my chest last year. The problem wasn't with the procedure, it was actually with me. So, yun lang. Another thing to keep in mind, kasi it's not gonna be an instant, yung may pecs ka na talaga and all. And then financial preparation, I was a salaried employee. So basically, I got my paycheck every 15 and 30. So what I did was, ihiwalay ko yung basic expenses from, the non-essentials. So I took yung pang basic lang, like transport for food and all. And then the rest of it, hinihiwalay ko na. Just to make sure na hindi ko siya magagastos or hindi namin siya magagastos. And then, we had extra money coming from other places. Actually, nag-loan din ako sa SSS. The first check that I got was for 14K. So, that's also a good amount to add, especially if you're a salaried employee. Like, you've already paid for this via contributions. So, like, you can take it. Like, go file that loan. And then other tips, one thing that you have to realize would be that no two results are going to be the same. No two results will ever be the same. It's going to differ from one person to the other because we're all composed differently. Kasi I think that's the problem that most people have. Like, they expect so much. I mean, I know that my results look pretty acceptable. So, when somebody comes up to me and says, "But hindi ganyan yung itsura nung sakin," like, I can't really defend that kasi maraming factors that come into play. like how you were able to recover, like your activity level after the surgery, how you actually took care of your body. So there are many things that you would have to consider. Yun lang, like don't expect 100% the same results as what you see, whether it be on social media or in person. It's not the same. Thanks for listening, guys, and if you have more questions, just feel free to reach out and I'll be glad to help. Thanks.
Ang laki na natutunan ko, and sana kayo din like nyo itong video, guys, kung appreciate nyo. And yun, meron pa tayong dalawang video na dapat abangan dito sa channel natin about top surgery. Alam ko na marami tayong matututunan doon, so make sure nakasubscribe ka at nakaklik yung notification bell para malaman mo kapag nag-upload ako ng bagong video. Maraming salamat kay Kuya. Comment kayo sa baba kung ano yung pinaka natutunan nyo or alin sa mga tip niya yung pinaka tumatak sa'yo at sa tingin mo makakatulong talaga. Yun, comment nyo sa ilalim yan, guys. Huwag nyo kalimutang i-share tong video na to sa mga kilala nyo na nangangailangan ng information na ito. Yun lang muna sa araw na to, guys. Abangan nyo yung mga susunod na video natin. Maraming salamat sa panonood, sa pag-like, at yun, kita tayo ulit sa susunod na video. So, bye-bye na muna sa araw na to.